Rolling right now.
Dude, get Elvis on this too. You get Elvis sponsorship. Yeah.
Are those long travel?
Yeah, I mean they are.
I got 2 inches of travel with these fuckers.
21, number 29, and number 4, as well as number 26.
Like 9.
When I called Impact and I said, hey, I need a set of stage 4s for a 200-pound rider, stock geometry for motocross, they said, well, that's interesting.
All right, here we go. Coming in hot, number 589, Cameron Calla. 719, Robert Stewart.
What?
How much was that?
14?
What you got on the back?
What?
What's on the back?
Stock.
For the schoolboy 7 to 15 class.
It's the front that was rough.
Playing around today. Big jump, number 801, Noah Marshall. Camille Bailey, number 18, following very closely behind Noah. Number 241 in the front, Jasper Williams, 1 to 10. Williams Costello, number 333, still holding that position right behind Jackson. Number 7X, Caleb Chavez coming around this corner here. Oh, having some technical difficulties, starting to back up. There we go, number 7X, Caleb Chavez. That's what I'm talking about. We got to get that block running and get this thing moving. Once again, I'd like to thank our friends over at Suron for coming out from China today for our Moto 2. I want to thank you guys for coming to hang out with us. We've got 2 more classes for Moto 2. And then we're going to be doing an award ceremony over at the stadium.
One of these where you just went, whoop! Someone went.
Oh, coming in easy. Number 29, number 29.
That dude let me quit on.
Oh, wait, number 27, Lucas
that
Barnes.
bitch was gazelle.
There we go. That is number 27, Lucas Barnes. Number 589, Cameron Gallo launching that thing. Number 26, Waylon Pellegrini. Number 21, Bubba Barnes. Guys, we are wrapping this up to the schoolboy 7 to 15 class already.
And it's like, you know, I still want to
Who's ready for Big Block Stock? Big Block Stock is lined up in the gate right now. 250, 450 big bikes should be lined up right now in staging. Anybody lost a pair of goggles a few minutes ago for the Trail Bike Open class? I have them. Anybody lost a pair of goggles in the Trail Bike Open class? I have them over here.